It's hot here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. Ngalbe kontum kende ke altonal kontonla koltana talbela hope albebe kairo konole. It's going to be a very fast video because Nabatru Yimansia Bake, and then I have to go out Katana Fenko Faling Memuna Chayati. But ngalonko atul jama came across stuff Adama Barola Kumakangola ay Kumakang Memfo and lonko nga jele ko right now membe be kullo to abela kam banke otole membe kurkuru kan gambe dingolo kamma abela ringal fongle tabulo kan. The question is, what should we do as Gambians? Because ntol ngamere ko ngamansa kunda faline pulu nga tenkungo soto nga hormo soto nga bunya soto nga freedom soto nga mero loko is not going to be repeated pour moyen tocho moyen bute moyen harass moyen humiliate again. But is now hold on guys. I have to wait. I'm coming, guys. But mobile charge like silence diamo no. Ramadan, okay. Okay. Menambah live lagi malah phone. Sorry guys, it's not working, but let's do this fast. I'm gonna go charging system when you be talking, but I'm not talking. So what we were thinking is Adama be a trial like peace maintain the Maltema. He's not going to torture us. He's not going to kakuke mola me alonko aning hadama di ya manta. But let's listen to Adama phone like kuma counter. I mean for fast and then nga analyze jang katabake Let's listen.
ye 3 years jot na ya lon ni bangon kanjam 3 years jot na ala chief executive mun defon famalti ala Ousainou Darboe mune chief executive moy ko ala Ousainou Darboe bare kabiri nga gaso fayika anim bi tema.
Now listen. Why is it that Adama is not having agenda? Agenda means to wala mo Ousainou Darboe wala mala agenda ti all the time. Akola kacha, akawole fo, akabula wole noma all the time. Why is it that Adama ma agenda soto, aman kuma soto, na manke Ousainou Darboe ti, wole matela agenda ti, wole mala kumuti, aka bindu domor wala, aka sima wala, akela wole fe, and there are different political parties here. Why always UDP? What is the problem with it? And then, ako, listen to him again. 3 years jotna nga diamo kete janne NPP Adama Nala Molko, they have no hand in that. Ako wole violence create, wole kuolelke, and wole kuma kango mem for asenatale, iko ride le nata adunte koto ketonya, and they are Gambians, they are citizens, democracy kono, it is your right to do peaceful margin without any violence. They did not create any violence. Itatale, it marched peacefully, but they were attacked. Bale ala support ta wululu men munati ko timbal batukaja any single nonsense here me kuma fole jani be fale tina and I will block you. That's it. 3 years jotna, they are Gambians nali la moy no nga fole ko 3 years kanyim peaceful margin ke demonstration is part of developing the country, because near keta every government will know what is your fault. Then that's an alert for you to adjust yourself. Masakunda near peaceful margin or any demonstration ike tulole lamoy yajube wolbe men kaskan yajube wolbe men fokan yajibe what is their problem, then obatinel ko itela mansakunda sambobe sone yalal you be able to solve your problem in a very smooth way without moye makomo, because ya lamoy banko dingolal what is their problem. So what is mum problem la nata me atinna wolbe la margin men any violence create, they are not with anything, you attack them with gas. Listen to
Marikabinga gaso faika.
Ako kabraye gaso faikan. Gambia dingolo, na Hadama dingolo, na citizens, our brothers and our sisters. Iko kabriye gaso faikan Adama. Can you listen to yourself? Kabriye gaso fai Hadama dingolo. Okay, itinata wala pruka gaso fai intolkan. Itinata wala pruka ntolubute. Itinata wala pruka ntocho. Ye berolta kanyungolo kati. Iko kabriye gaso faikan. I want you to listen to this point.
La chief executive mun defon famalti ala Hussein Dabo. Chief executive moy ala Hussein Dabo. Marikabinga gaso faika. Anim bitema. Yalo ngafon na security nyaton kolele. Mune wodo ni jite makarane. Ngoy ni sonko me da kilo dron wala kabang. Mane Marikabi wolu anim bitema. 3 years jot na fata nyimbango. Ye kamira 3 years jot na ne masoro nyimbango. Ngonna mansakunda albe mel samba kan kidola ali bula yetela hajola. Ni yolo access manale bayle bulele access. Kelo bandere way la ko boylo na mansakunda sai.
So wala ile wo manka to nyati. Ni koila mansakunda ale bula yetela hajola. Why were they arrested again? Why were they taken to the court? Munana kitio keta. It was not at your favor. Kabirin kitio keta ibo itale. Ni mamboy no ibe soron nale. Ni silo sotonum. Ibe soron nale, of course. So what are you talking about, Mr. President? Can you listen to yourself? Hello?
Through the front door. Science on dollar through the front door. Bari billahi wallahi. Mekukela nyilla on the 4th of December.
Can you listen to that? Can you hear that? Then Adama is ready for violence in our country. Because akaye gasole fay 3 years jot na kan. Akaye gasole fay 3 years jot na kan. Ako bari mba kuo menke la 4th of December wole be tambila nga menke 3 years jot na. Woto ye gaso men fay 3 years jot na kan. Ibe menke lantola wole be tambila gaso fayoti. Ibe mfalale. This is it. What have we done? Are we in war? What have we done? Can you listen to our president? ako atela banko dingola te gaso le fay wol kan wol findi they bear right le practice kan. We have democracy. They are not criminals. They were doing peaceful margin. They were to face their own president to tell you their problems for you to solve, to tell them what is in them. It will lift a minute. They did not break any rules. Ye funte ye gaso fayi kan. But sila inate ko. Ite wo gaso men fayi kan. 4th of December ibe menkele wole be tambile ye menke 3 years jotnala. This is, he's calling for violence. He's ready to kill us. He's ready to torture us. But our question is, why do you want to do that to us? What have we done? Listen.
ngonna man sakunda albe mel samba kan ki dol ali bula yete la hajola manale ni yollo atte mamudi manale bayle bulele atte kelo bandere way la ko boylon na man sakunda say ko ibina la trudi frondo say son dawla ali ngana trudi frondo dañ ko na ñam ci mamudi bayle ni ñoy ci tante rek ñoo xamé bayle ni ñoo bari billahi wallahi mu ne gëñe ko ga wallahi mbe ku kala ñil na on the 4th of December wala be jawala na menge 3 years jotna.
This is a threat. You are threatening the Gambian people for no reason. Because in the moment rakalen is sonkala jang. Ebe political la political. Political molbe wala. Ike mute, ike threatening iko. What you did to 3 years jotna, what you gonna do by December 4th, wolebe tambila. Here it is. But my question is, come here. Is Adam Barrow above the law? What should we do? Is he not supposed to be prosecuted? Is this man not supposed to be arrested? Is this man above the law? Is this man the honor of Gambia? Who is this man to threaten us in our own country? Telling us that he can... So, Woto ale 3 years you're not kitting the phone right leka. Ale kelo boy can for no reason. Ale nyapete kang ale barama. Ale nyapete kang ale gaso fayi kang. Kamol ketchum di kadol nambara for no reason. Aliamiral tamu banko for no reason. What the hell is going on in our country? Whose father owned this country or whose mother? Let us get ready. Ngalon sama singola. We were calling for peaceful election, but I can see this president isn't ready for a peaceful election. We are ready. Pul banko ye tanka. Na election ka kaira kono ngaban kaira kono. But I can see Adama malafi wala. Amalafi election ke kaira kono. Amalafi election we ban kaira kono. I left violence la left satan on la banko kan. Balansi kun killing for e. Kun sen kun naka kun la de me bar kun sen bero la ka kun la te itaji. Ni Gambia nga pundi tula sora jawle. It is the violence create la banko kan. Hey, Alin so jumala mi. You are not going to create war in our country. We will save this mama land because our mothers, mbamalu, mfamalu, ndokolu, nkotolu, wale benyi banko kan. I never knew that kata karte fay kata any more in your Gambian eta contest is a war. It's a crime. Namana wala. Ni te bita election ole tebe war lekala. Ni te bita election ole tebe crime lekala. Ni te bita election ole you would call for crime, you would create violence. It's not happening in this country. Nzatan di lako. Banko din kendol be baluri ni manta pus palas kumankela. Banko din kendol be baluri ne ke kendol be banko kan hey waliye la beltol siti le fajata kaw ni mata mama mati lela. If you want peace, we will go to this pool Cairo kono. If you don't want peace, then whatever you want you will get it. Sirifo jiba I want my message to go across. Sirfo jiba. Malafi banen nangefa lakang. I hope your father goes outside. Goodbye. Those behind 3 years Jotna, they are Gambians. They have right. They have voice. Each Gambian have the right to voice out, to tell how you feel about the country. You have the right to demand and say what you want that the government should do it. This is why we have democracy. But I never knew, you be a Gambian, it becomes a crime to demand what you want. They were not armed. They were not with nada. They were walking peacefully, chanting and saying, 3 years Jotna Mansaji. I think when you are intelligent, you should come out and respond to them that. Until you know that because this is my reason, then they may comply. But you did not do that. Instead, if you did a gas or fake, and you as a president, you did not set a good example. You came out and faced the Gambian people. A president, banko nyatonko kafo nga gas or fake na banko digolkan. Like seriously. Like seriously. Banko Mansa. Banko president. Come out like a street ghetto boy. Like a street boy. Criminal. How are you going to cancel the criminals that are doing break and enter, that are killing and raping people? You as a president. Coming out the car for na banko di nga gasol feka numbe menkela foye ni December 4 sita numbe menkela wala be tambila nga menke 3 years Jotna. What you are calling for violence? Ni teme mo mansati. Eteme mo presidenti. Eteka fundiko. I am going to do this thing ni election sita. What should we do as Gambians? Should we not prepare ourselves and stand strong and wait for whatever is coming ahead? If we want peace, we will do peace, peaceful election. Maybe winter ale ole harjo kata at State House I do okay. Either you, UDP or anybody. But if you want to war, because do you know why? Mobile tamu nyimbankoti. Banko kaitote mobulu kontele tamu banko kaitote. Mbele uluta nyimbankoka mofa amandoko katambe muvati jan. This is a disappointment. We were doing politics in a very smooth way. Politics is about advancing each other. Albenyo fail, albenyo push and pull lako ntolbe winla. But threatening the life of people is beyond us. And what are we going to do? We will vote you out and we will prosecute you for torturing and killing our people because you multi attempted murder. Kabir Berosika ye modali pa ya anganga kung wutinang you were at you that's an you left a kafale. Yes. And we are not going to compromise with anybody, you or anyone. You will see Gambian people. If you want to create violence in this country, we don't care who nak. Whosoever you are, we are going to make it clear to you. Because we are ready to secure the life of our kids and our mothers and ourselves. We will not compromise. I tell you this, Mr. President. Who do you think? What is the difference between you and Yaya Jammeh again? Is he not better than you? Because Yaya Jammeh buka funta mo fa ko ngam mo lefa. Abuka funta mo buta akafa mbenyi na klaba abuka kunu nganye na kakarela. Nine. He doesn't do that. But wait, I'm going to play this again.
3 years Jotna ya lon ni banko kanja. 3 years na ala chief executive mun defon famalti ala Hussein Dabo.
This is accusation. What is your proof? Do you know that you can be prosecuted for this? What is your proof? Accusing someone of something ima evidence to menna. You call them give executive when you have no proof. But is this president really okay? Like seriously? Listen.
Marikabinga gaso faiga. Anim bitema. Yalo ngafo na security nyato ngolele.
Nga mansala nyini membe balafala ay hinanye. Mansa men kalu akafu nga gaso fay hadda madingo kanne pul kafa. Kanti wala. Kabiri nga gaso fay kan. Inyong hadda madingo kan. Like
yalo ngafo na security nyato ngolele. Anim bitema. Marikabinga gaso faiga. Anim bitema. Yalo ngafo na security nyato ngolele. Ngoy ni sonko meta kilo dron wala kabang. Marikabi wolu anim bitema. 3 years jot na fata nyimbango. De kamira 3 years jot na ne masoro nyimbango.
Gambian people, I'm very sorry for you. Really. Some people are heartless. I can do politics with anybody. I can go to any level. We insult or whatever. But I would never wish death for my fellow human being. I will never be so evil. Gas. Never. NPP people, we will fight with you. We will do anything. But we will never murder or hurt you people because you are Gambians. No matter how much we fight, no matter how much left us here, no matter how much we hate each other, never, never.
Ngonna mansa kunda albe mel samba kan kidol ali bula yetela hajola keno bandere way la ko boylon na mansa kunda say ko ibina la trudi frondo say son dawla ali nga trudi frondo bari billahi wallahi mbe kukela nyilla on the 4th of December wala be jawala nga menke 3 years jotna.
You all had it, Gambia. Nga menkela 3 years jot na to. Mbe menkele la 4th of December. Wole betambila nga menkela 3 years jot na. Nga gaso le fayikan. Nga gaso mem fayika. Dolu baramale. Dolu nyingolu wututa. Dolu timol wututa. Dolu baramata. Dolu sigolu katita. Dolu ketuta. Nga menkele wa 3 years jot na la. Mbe menkele la December 4th. Wole betambila. That is his word. He is telling you people what he is going to do to us. December 4th. I call for more thing. Abe menkelan tolla. December 4th. Motol nata jana jikande motol bekona. Motol nata bread proof men kon. Ini nyuma kana kidi fayola Gambia bankoka. Wonyi bankoka ngim bankoka. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Kebal mawdoku. Pul wonyi a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Wallahi kelo te kele nyimbanko kambaro na manasi afutata woto ba jarta wala ibe ka fo men ko nyinsi rango yani sayala la bay bita sida ibe nyina linga non wa ini njuma kana kele to Gambia ko dede jelal ñun duñ he hayo wa ala sembo ala la kelo la sembo wata jon la sembo kelo ti fo ñina ta ala la lay fo ñina ala la si bulo mu day si mu de ko be bulo wulinde la tita hey jankene ala la palaso ala la kadi mola nyin sira Abeka ban for alala mansaya bukala bang. Hey, take it easy. Don't kill us. We are your brothers and sisters. Don't fight with us. We don't need to fight. This is politics. Why will we fight with you? Why? In what sense? When our mothers and our sisters are here, many are the future leaders of the Gambia Bankundi, we're not going to fight. Why would we fight with you? For what reason? And in Jumala Kanakala. Who? In Jumala Kanakala. Who in this Gambia? This is really sad. Ngamenga nyo molu fata itata banko kono the people died for you to go to office. You want to kill, you want to fight with the same people who laid their life for you to get to State House. You are telling them that ngamenkala no tambita memenka Allahu Akbar. No, I cannot believe this. People more minyanko, they laid their life. They fought so hard to take you to State House. They died. Some of them will man kende ano hanisani. Mola na full filter. Doli la balu wala to contribute just to go. Mo inde ko la konye ko na 50 euro. Ngam fon balu na bungo bang manso na bungo jolang ngakolo muta ngajo just pour kaje ko ngadu ndes adam baro kunto. Pulai si presde yala o kana si akafunye ngamen kala nunga tambitale o muda mande ngol tembe men kala la wol betabal like seriously. Ya me ni la kulala moto te la moy la damande. Ina ye kacha damande. This one is a threat and you're not above the law. This one is a threat. This is a threat. Kamano melota. Abetamad blako. Nini adama beta nimma fa ko how. We condemn it. I am part of people who condemn it. Because this is a threat. You don't have the right to threaten him. Iman rights to kala life threaten. Political man jaring in iman rights to put kala life threaten. We condemn it. I condemn it with all I have. Ite fokana lukani. Medana lejande. Fonya sona batromansia. Abantala 5% of Labe Alaka. But seriously, we are so disappointed. Especially me. I'm disappointed. I was not thinking that political bejale to this level. Fika banko di mo threaten ifong come meaning if you kill us or young hot isa ite be jumale kan nga jite ite men yalon ko ite like seriously Gambia dingola la carte dundi dulata ita dunda deme a carte for UDP if not you go no cry you reject iba regret lale kanto abe men kala ya fole already. Thank you all.